This is the tutorial on Microsoft Excel of how to use paste operations on Microsoft Excel. So what is paste operations? Okay, so here I just want to share for you to updating data very fast with paste operations. So you can see as the new type of smartphone like iPhone, Samsung, Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo, Realme, and BlackBerry. So sales in billions from Indonesian rupiahs, okay, as billions, and we need to update this with 300 until 300 billion without clicking or without typing one payment. So we have a task here. Okay, for example, I have a task from my manager to update this data from sales Indonesian rupiahs billion, from hundreds. We have a task to update it into the billions. Okay, so that's the task or the job from our manager to update the hundreds into billions. So from 300 until 300 billion. Okay, with this comma. Okay, so if we do not need a trick, we will do this manually, so we need to type one by one, and then from one, so it will be a problem if the data is so many data that we need to update. So wow, it so you can see here from 300 and multiplies 1 billion, and then just copy the formula and then drop down. And we do not need to do this because it's a trick. We will create a help table. It's a helpful table. Okay, so from 300 becomes 300 billion. Okay, so the number in this column should be updated. Okay, here on these cells we will create a helpful column. Just type 1 billion and then right click and copy, or you can press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. And okay, so it means that it successfully copied by the table with green like this. And then you need to block all the table here, and you do not need to paste here. So just go to the icon paste and then select paste spatial, and the dialog of paste spatial will be appeared on your screen. And then from operations, this is from paste operations, from none here, and so here we will use the paste operation here because we want to multiply it by 1 billion. So operations should be selected. Okay, from multiply, from none to multiply. So that's another choices: add, subtract, divide, and multiply. Okay, so because we need to multiply the number from our table, so just click the multiply and then okay. Okay, so the data automatically will change with billions. Okay, so we do not need to click one by one to type manually. And so just place copy the 1 billions that you create outside the table, and then go to copy and paste operation and multiply from the operation. Okay, from paste spatial menu here. And after this, from the C columns here, this is price and Indonesian rupiahs. It's from 12,000, 12 billion, 10 billion, 8 billion, and this from price from Indonesian rupiahs. And here we have an info that we need to make a discount Okay, from the sales here. So from the sales we need to make a discount approximately 500,000. So this is from 12 billions, 10 billions. Okay, and okay, I think that you can type it manually one by one. But if the data have too many data that you need to update, so we need to make it by using the paste operations from Microsoft Excel. Okay. Okay, so the discount, get the discount of 500,000 rupiahs each each sales here, and just type 500,000 and then copy and plug the data or table that you want to update. Okay, and this is from C2 until C8 because we need to update this, and plug it and then select paste special and then operations by changing it into the subtract. Okay, and then click OK up here. So okay, you can see the difference by this from 12 billions into the 11 billions and 500,000 rupiah. So it means that data are successfully updated automatically by using this paste special from the paste operations. Okay, just deleting uh, the helpful cells, and then the data is completed updated automatically. Okay, so you can see as add or minus or multiplies or divide. So you just need to create the help column and then copy this and then go to paste spatial and then paste operations. From the paste operation you just need to choose even learn or add or subtract or multiply or divide based on the type of numbers that you want to count it from the Microsoft Excel. Okay, that's the trick from Microsoft Excel. So it is served by Microsoft Excel. So if you already knows about it, so you just make it a practice for your job or for your work, and I think that this could be very beneficial for you to save the time by not doing manually by typing one by one. So it would be efficient and effective. See you in the next video. Bye bye.